Welcome back to another Tiki edition of Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner, and today we're going to make the Queen's Park Swizzle. This is a classic cocktail invented in the 1920s at the Queen's Park Hotel in Trinidad, and it is absolutely delicious. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to need to do is get ourselves a Collins glass. Then you're going to pluck off a few mint leaves. 8 to 10 is a good rule of thumb. However, these mint leaves are giant, so I'm going to use like 5. Then we're going to take that and just gently bruise them in the bottom of this glass. You don't want to really squish them because then it gets vegetal. You just want to express those oils a little bit. Okay, then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of our Demerara syrup. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And then we're going to do 2 to 3 ounces of overproof dark rum. So I'm going with this lovely Plantation OFTD. There's our 3 ounces. We're going to go 2 dashes of Angostura. Actually, we'll save that for the end. So we're going to fill this glass up with ice now. Alright, so we've got our ice, or our glass full of ice. We're going to add a couple dashes of Angostura, and then we're going to swizzle that with a swizzle stick. Now, I have a steel one. They do make wood ones, and it's this 5-fingered pattern is traditional for the swizzle stick tree, or a bois de lele they call it. I like the steel ones just because they don't rot. You don't have to worry about replacing them. Not going to break it. This is from Pina Barware out of Las Vegas, and I can't recommend it enough. So you're just going to carefully work it down there into the glass. Might take you a minute, and you're just going to swizzle it. Just to blend that drink up. And there you have the Queen's Park Swizzle. Very rich. It has a nice sweetness to it from that Demerara syrup, but it's not too sweet. The rum is really the star here. I mean, we did put 3 ounces in there, but the mint comes through fairly strong as well. And a nice, refreshing, crisp citrus tail end. All in all, it's really great. It's perfect for those hot summer days. It is very potent, so be sure to pace yourself. Or, you know, this may be one of those one and done drinks, but all the same, it is quite good. So, the Queen's Park Swizzle. Enjoy.
Thank you.